Hi, let us learn on how to perform some action on a web element. We have majorly three actions to be performed. One to enter, the second one to click, the third one to select a value from a drop down. We enter in text boxes and text areas which are allocated to enter some value. We click on each and every element that you have. We can click on each and every element that you have in your window or in your web browser. You can click on text boxes, you can click on links, you can click on buttons, you can click on drop downs, you can click on images, you can click on links, and you can click on every element that you can find in your web browser. And again, on selecting a value from a drop down, you can do it only from select tag. The elements which have multiple options to be selected. Let us see the first line of code to go to a web element first. As we discussed earlier in the previous video, we use find element method on driver. You can see there on the top. Find element is the method. It takes the argument of by class, the abstract class, where you use the method of any locator. Now here I have highlighted ID in red color. You can use similar to that, and you can give the value of the locator, that is ID attribute or name attribute or your class name method, and you have to use the class attribute, or you can use link text or tag name or CSS selector or your XPath, whatever locator you want, you can use it and you can do that. This locates a web element as such. Now, to enter the value on a web element, we need to use the method send keys. Send keys is the method on a web element. Now, driver.findElement by.id till city takes you to the web element. Now, on that web element, you can use send keys as a small k caps, and this takes character sequence as such. That is why we asked you to install 1.7 or above. From 1.7 and above, character sequence and string are considered to be the same. Before that, they were considered to be different. Now, send keys takes the argument as character sequence. Remember this. This will be an interview question as well. Send keys takes character sequence as an input. Now, you give the value in double quotes. You give whatever you want. It will enter it in the text box of the ID or the any other locator. You can use any locator to locate a particular text box, and this will be entering the value. The next method that we need to see on a web element is click. Click can be performed on any web element. Navigate to the web element, that is like driver.findElement by dot. Here I have used name for you to understand that where it gets changed. Name, and then after login is the name attribute that is given that for that particular field, and then dot click is going to perform you the action of click on the particular web element. Now, the last but not the least one and the most important one is to select a value from a drop down. Drop downs will have the select tag. Inside that you will have multiple options nested. The select tag is going to have a separate class implemented. To select a value from a drop down, there is a separate class implemented which is called as select. You can see it in the video, which takes the argument of a web element for the constructor. A constructor is used to initialize a class object. We all know this. Now, this select class from a separate package altogether, that is support UI package, where you need to go and get these capabilities to select a value from a drop down. We have to go and get it from the particular class and then use the methods to select a value. There are three methods to select a value from the drop down again. The first one is by index, and the second one is by visible text, and the third one is by value. Index is the number at which it resides. It takes the values of integer and it takes the values from 0 to n minus 1. Visible text, the text that is displayed in the UI, that can be used to select a value. Value, that is the value that is going to be inserted on selecting a particular option. You have a value attribute for the option given that will be used to insert the value in the DB. These are the three ways that you can select a value. The first one is by index, where you use nth option. The second one is by visible text, the text between the two nodes of the options, the opening node and the closing node of an option. You'll find the text, that is the displayed text. And the third one is the value, where you can use this to select the value. Thank you.